a coaching business as a profitable online business for you to consider in 2019 to get you started. But what does it actually involve? If that's you right now and you are interested in moving your offline services to online, then stay tuned. Hi, this is Jen Edwards Robinson from Burnout to Breakthrough.com, and I help create your freedom lifestyle business so you can get your life back. Before we get started, I just want to let you know the amount of domain names that are registered every single day. Okay, because I just find these internet facts so fascinating. Okay, so 5,000 domain names are registered every single day. That's just incredible, isn't it? So we need to obviously move everything that we do offline onto online. If you are new to my channel, then hit like and subscribe, and also if you hit that notification button, I am actually dedicating daily videos to you if you want to create a freedom lifestyle business so you can get your life back. So stay with me, guys. So if you are interested in becoming an online coach and you are looking for more information about how that what it might actually mean, like an insight into the online journey, as it were, as being a coach. And I'm going to give you 3 sort of main ideas to give you that idea, that perspective. So let's just scrub this off. What does it actually mean becoming like an online coach? Now, basically what you're doing is you want to get somewhere from A to B. Now, a good example of this is being like an online fitness coach or weight loss coach. And that's actually what I looked into when I first started one of my first ventures into the online world. Because I'd fought indoor cycling studios, I thought it was a natural fit for me to actually help people online. But basically, essentially, to use this as an example, is someone's wanting to lose weight because they're not comfortable anymore in their clothes. Let's say they've had a baby and they're struggling to get back into their pre-baby shape that they had before. And they're just struggling. They're going to the gym. They might be, quite motivated to go, but they're not really seeing the results that they desire. They actually want. So essentially, you are getting someone like that from A to B, and you're selling the perceived value at the end. What people would pay as a high ticket price to get the result they're after. So for example, it could be that you might want to offer an online program for 12 weeks to help someone lose weight, let's say between 12 and 20 pounds. So that is essentially what you are going to be doing as an online coach, getting them your client onto a journey from their start to end. And essentially, as another point to mention, it's really a mindset journey that you are taking your clients through. They've got a lot of beliefs that are blocking them from getting from their point A to B, because they're unaware, they're unconscious about why. Again, using the example of someone wanting to lose weight, they're unconscious as to why they're eating at certain times, or why they're upset and they're going for, the sugary foods. So really, online coaching is a lot to do about mindset, and you are helping your clients go through that journey they need to get through in order to get from A to from their A to B, but also to keep them at B. And once they have all the knowledge, expertise, and realise why they were stuck at A, they will have all the tools they need to maybe, hopefully, stay at B. Or if they do go off track, then they know exactly what they need to do in order to get back to their position B. So it's a really, really enjoyable business model to consider when going online, because if you are, and that leads me to my third point, if you are always finding yourself saying, let me just write this, I just want to help people, I get many of my clients, even myself, say, I just want to help people. And they may not be right now in a career or an offline business where they can do that, because they're probably dealing with all the other stuff that happens in an offline business or a career, like office politics or the runnings of a business, that sort of thing, and it sidetracks them away from wanting to help people. So this is like a third point that I want to make here of what it's like to run an online business when it comes to coaching, because you can help someone on a one-to-one basis, and it is such a nice feeling. If you feel you've got a passion, an inner desire or a message that you want to share with the world and help people with, then an online business model for you is definitely the right one, because you get to help people, you get to feel good inside, that fuzzy feeling when you are helping people from A to B. Because a lot of people that you realise don't understand fully what's going on in the process for them to be stuck at A, and all you're doing is breaking that mindset that they have, the limiting beliefs that they don't realise they have, to get them from A to B. So anyway, I hope this made sense, and feel free to stick around. I've got other videos coming soon about other online business models. But yeah, if you are looking for a freedom lifestyle business so you can have your life back, if you're feeling quite trapped in your current career or also your offline business, then stick around and I will see you soon. Bye. Many thanks Breakthrough for hanging out with me online, and remember to like, subscribe and hit that notification button, as I'm dedicated in creating daily videos for you to learn how to build a freedom lifestyle business from scratch. Also, feel free to hang out with me and other breakthroughs in my closed Facebook group called the Breakthroughs Hangout. The link is in the description box below. Here's to your online business success.